Are you thinking of remodeling your kitchen this year? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the top modular kitchen designs for 2025, the latest layouts, finishes, and smart solutions that are shaping modern homes. A modular kitchen isn't just about cooking anymore. It's about style, comfort, technology, and functionality, all coming together to create the heart of your home. Whether you have a small apartment or a big house, these design ideas will inspire you to create a kitchen that works beautifully for your lifestyle. Why modular kitchens are the future? Before we jump in, let's answer one question. Why modular? Unlike traditional kitchens, modular kitchens are designed in pre-made units or modules that can be customized. This means you get better space utilization, smarter storage, and a design that's easy to install, clean, and even upgrade in the future. And the best part? The 2025 designs are not only practical but also incredibly stylish. 1. Modern layouts for every home. In 2025, modular kitchens are all about efficient layouts. Here are the most popular ones. L-shaped kitchens, perfect for small homes, giving you maximum counter space. U-shaped kitchens for bigger homes, offering great storage and an efficient work triangle. Parallel or galley kitchens, sleek, minimal, and great for apartments. Island kitchens, modern and multifunctional, giving you space to cook, dine, and socialize. No matter the size of your home, there's a modular layout that fits perfectly. 2. Sleek and minimalist designs. Minimalism continues to dominate in 2025. Handleless cabinets, smooth finishes, and straight lines make the kitchen look modern and clutter-free. Colors like white, beige, and soft gray are classics, but now, homeowners are mixing them with bolder tones like navy, bottle green, and even matte black for a stylish contrast. This combination creates a clean, timeless look with a hint of personality. 3. Smart storage solutions. Storage is one of the biggest strengths of a modular kitchen. This year, we're seeing lots of innovative solutions. Pull-out pantry units for easy access. Magic corner cabinets that use dead space efficiently. Vertical drawers for spices and bottles. Built-in organizers for cutlery and utensils. Overhead cabinets with lift-up shutters for a sleek look. These features keep your kitchen organized, making it easy to cook without any mess. 4. Kitchen islands, the new centerpiece. In 2025, islands are more than just a trend. They're a must-have for modern kitchens. They serve as a cooking station, a dining table, and even a home office when needed. Some designs include built-in sinks, cooktops, or hidden storage, while others are designed as a cozy breakfast bar with stools. Pair them with statement pendant lighting, and you'll instantly upgrade your kitchen's look. 5. Trending finishes and materials. Materials and finishes play a huge role in the modern kitchen look. This year's favorites include quartz and marble countertops, durable, elegant, and timeless. Matte cabinets, fingerprint-resistant and stylish. Wood plus metal mixes, bringing warmth and industrial chic together. Textured laminates and glass shutters for a futuristic touch. You'll also see gold, brass, and matte black hardware making kitchens look luxurious. 6. Bold and stylish backsplashes. Backsplashes are no longer just for protection, they're a design statement. In 2025, you'll see bold geometric tiles, high-gloss glass panels, natural stone slabs, and even backsplashes that extend all the way to the ceiling. This instantly gives your kitchen a high-end, eye-catching look. 7. Smart kitchen technology. Modular kitchens today are not just beautiful, they're smart. Imagine motion sensor lights turning on as you open a cabinet, touchless faucets for hygiene, and appliances that you can control from your phone. Smart ovens, built-in dishwashers, and hidden charging stations are becoming standard features. The focus is on making the kitchen not just stylish, but also convenient and future-ready. 8. Open and airy designs. Modern families love open-plan kitchens that connect with the living or dining area. This makes the space more social and welcoming. Glass cabinets, open shelving, and minimal partitions are trending, giving the illusion of a bigger space. If you live in a small apartment, this kind of design makes your kitchen feel airy and light. 9. Eco-friendly and sustainable choices. Sustainability is a huge trend in 2025. Homeowners are choosing eco-friendly materials, recycled wood, energy-efficient appliances, and LED lighting. Not only does it look stylish, but it also reduces your carbon footprint. It's a smart choice for the future of design. 10. Lighting that transforms your kitchen. Lighting can make or break your kitchen design. In modular kitchens, layered lighting is the key. Task lighting under cabinet lights to brighten your workspace. Ambient lighting, ceiling or recessed lights for overall glow. Accent lighting, pendant lamps or LED strips to highlight shelves and islands. This creates a warm, modern, and practical environment. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for designing your dream modular kitchen. Keep the layout efficient. Think about the work triangle, sink, stove, fridge. Mix bold and neutral tones for balance. Invest in smart storage to keep clutter away. Choose durable, easy-to-clean finishes. Add personal touches like a stylish backsplash or open shelf decor. Remember, the best kitchen is not only about looks, it's about how comfortable and practical it feels every day. So, which modular kitchen idea from 2025 inspired you the most? Do you prefer the sleek minimalist look, the bold backsplashes, or the high-tech smart features? Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to know your favorite. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more inspiring home interior ideas and remodeling tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.